Are you tired of your job? Are you looking for a new challenge in your life? Do you want to be your own boss while having fun with your friends and family? Are you looking to improve your standard of living and be financially free without hassles? iCligo is a network for travel bookings, which in time will feel like your own travel agency. It is a platform that enables you to build a team which will work in your traveling network and earn points for all the bookings made. You will receive a commission for each and all of your bookings, and for those that are booked by people in your network. And since the number of affiliates you have in your network is unlimited, it means that building a large team gives an opportunity to earn high commissions and two types of bonuses. Here is how the commissions and the bonuses work. The team affiliates first enroll in the team as junior, which represents the first level, and starts to earn 5% in direct commissions from all their bookings made on the platform. By accumulating points, affiliates develop, climbing up level by level, with the possibility to eventually become gold affiliates. One of the bonuses is the career plan bonus. After the junior level, you pass to the senior level, in which you receive €2 for each point generated by you or your team. The amount increases to €4 for each point at master level and €8 for each point at coordinator level. When the gold level is achieved, you can receive up to €40 for each point. Imagine that you are the gold affiliate, and in your team there is a junior affiliate who has just made a booking of €5,000. The junior in this case receives the direct commission of 5% of the booking value, which is €250 and 5 points. You as the gold affiliate for this booking receive the career plan bonus, which for these 5 points is €200. Now imagine you have thousands of affiliates on your network and they have thousands of clients. Then you will receive commissions for each booking made in your network for the rest of your life. The other bonus is the first booking bonus. As an affiliate, you will receive a bonus for the first booking of each affiliate from the first 10 generations in your network. For example, if you recommend 5 affiliates, and these 5 affiliates recommend another 5 affiliates and so on over 10 generations, you will receive more than €32 million in these bonuses only. Up from the bronze level, you become a VIP affiliate and start receiving a percentage of the company's profit. And we have not stayed here with commissions. iCligo still offers 2 incentives: top sales and top leader. Every month, iCligo awards prizes to the top 5 consultants and to top 5 leaders, distinguished and recognize the consultant and the leader of the month. Getting started is so easy. You only have to register as a client on the iCligo website using the username of the person that recommended you, and then you need to upgrade your account to become an affiliate by making a one-time payment of €299. After becoming an affiliate, you will want to share iCligo with other people. You know that Maria has a passion for traveling. Peter wants to earn extra money. John is looking for a new challenge. David wants to be financially independent. They deserve a better life. When you start recommending iCligo and building a strong networking team, you will earn great commissions and bonuses, even while you sleep. Don't miss out on this golden opportunity. Join our network today. iCligo. Just go.